Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, March 8th, 2024, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Looking at the Dow here, the Dow opened higher this morning and then started going sideways and took a dive here, came back and took another dive toward the end, ended up closing down 69 points. Um, we actually had a pretty good day, but I'm still going to complain a lot about it because it was very frustrating. We were down negative $22,000 on the close on Thursday. And this morning, we actually, that all that negative evaporated, we opened up positive about $2,000. And then, believe it or not, only 15 minutes into the day, I posted this on the website, we were up $28,000. So we had a swing difference there of close to $50,000 from negative 22 on Thursday to positive 28 on Friday. And I thought we were just going to go to the moon. I thought, hey, we're going to make some big money today. And then after that 15 minutes, things started to slide, and it ended up being a very frustrating day. Okay, the overall statistics are we closed out negative $3,000 in 11 positions today, and we're carrying positive $600 in 12 positions over the weekend going into next Monday. I usually show you the best and the worst. I'm going to show you the two most frustrating trades today. And this first one, get it up here. This is VTYX, which is Ventyx Biosciences. And we had bought this yesterday on Thursday, and it had closed slightly positive, but then it had this big run up right at the beginning of the day. I thought, wow, here we go. It was somewhere in here that I took that screenshot of being up 28,000, because this trade up here on top hit a high of about positive $10,000 for us, but then it pulled all the way back here for our exit, which was $5,000. So we went from 10,000 to 5,000 the first hour and a half here, and then it turns around, does this little rally, just enough to get us into a re-entry situation right there. And then after it gets us in, it goes down, and on the close there, we're carrying negative 4,000. So this beautiful pattern that we had, we ended up ahead about $1,000 on it. That's just really frustrating. We should have made a ton of money on this, but we did not. And then the second most frustrating one for us, oh, sorry here, what am I doing? Here we go. Okay, this is PRCH, which is Porch Group. And this thing we bought on Thursday, last bar of the day, barely got into this thing before the market closed on Thursday. And then it had this huge gap up this morning. And up here on this very high, we're up $12,000 in this thing. But of course we don't get out there, unfortunately. And then it does this huge pullback. And finally, our sell kicks in here. And we get $1,000 positive out of this. We've gone from, 10,000 to 1,000 in about 2 hours there. And then it turns around, it gets a little rally here, it gets us re-entered, and the re-entry works out pretty good. It goes up and hangs pretty tight there, and we get we're holding positive $5,000 on this. So after all this back and forth, we're up about $6,000 on PRCH. But I'm looking back here and seeing this $10,000 high. That's where I wanted to get out. I didn't want to go through all this Mickey Mouse we did. So that was another frustrating day today. So anyway, in spite of the day being pretty darn good compared to where we were on Thursday, it wasn't a good way to end the week. Anyway, you guys have a fabulous weekend, and I'll be back here on Monday trading as usual.